Hi everyone, welcome back. We made it to London and here we are. Now this is the XL, it's just gigantic. We've walked all the way through it, it was more than a mile, and they're building an extension right opposite where we're staying. Not that it's noisy or anything, it's just we would have been able to walk through and walked all the way along the river, but it's closed because of the building work. So we're here and wow, I love being by the river. So just over here we've got this bridge. We're going to have a go at that in a minute and maybe film. There's some houses across there that we quite fancy, but you know, just saying, probably not got enough money for them, I would say. We were going to head to that cable car, I don't know if you can see it, but we had a little idea of going on that, but it seems a bit far away now. But that is a hotel. Yeah, it's called the Sunbourne and it is a yacht hotel. How snazzy, huh? Got pretend kind of cranes, but yeah. I wonder how much it costs to spend the night in the Sunbourne yacht hotel. So across there you've got more of the city, but I'm going to pause it in a sec. I'll be back with you in one moment. We found a duck, a moorhen.
A yuppie duck.
Yes, a yuppie duck. Say hello, Gary.
Hello.
So, yeah, we haven't really, well, we walked through the XL. The part we walked through was just lots of places to get drinks and food. As I'm on a low carb diet, there was, well, nothing for me, but Gary had a Subway and I had a Diet Coke. But they've got a Disney exhibition going on at one of the places in this gigantic XL building. I've been here once before. I came to see the motor show and it was well, very interesting, but gigantic then, and it's even bigger now. So had a few extensions since then. Not really sure what there is to do around here. I know there's a few museums, but not really sure. So we're just going to go for a little walk today and explore, because it's going to be busy over the next couple of days. But this is that yacht hotel. I'm just going to pause it while I check out this map. So anyway, we're going to try, and hopefully there's a lift for this bridge to get up to it. You've got to go all the way up there, but I thought I might get a nice view the other side of this hotel. But those houses, Gary said, oh, I wouldn't mind living in one of those. I think there might be apartments, flats or whatever, and quite costly, I should think, on the river in the city of London. Just saying, mega bucks. So the aeroplanes are a bit low, so that is going to get very, very, very loud. I'm going to pause it. Okay, so we're in a bit of a wind tunnel at the moment, so it's only while we're on the river. We are not on the river, we're on a bridge obviously, but you know, while we're on this bit it's really windy. That flight path is quite very, very low, very low. So I'm going to see, once we get inside, if we can get onto this upper bridge and have a little look. Just going to pause it and I'll see you in a... Well, made it up there. No lift. Well, there was, but it was broken. So climbed all those stairs. Really knackered now. Anyway, over in the distance there, you can see a nice little sunny green. I just thought that was cute. But here we are. This is the actual... Those, sorry, I'm going to zoom out. Those aeroplanes are pretty frequent, have to say. It's quite a flight path. So we're on this bridge that spans the Thames at this point. Lots to trip on the bridge, just saying. But yeah, goodness gracious, sorry, I'm a bit out of breath, so not holding it as well as I'd like. Plus, you know, it's quite windy, so I'm hoping that it's not noisy. It's not as windy up here, funnily enough, as it was earlier on when we were down there. So you get these like little areas to stand. So let's stand. This is the central part. I can place it down, and there we are. I hope you're hearing this, because my phone keeps flashing headphone at me, and I don't know if what it's occurring. I mean, it kept trying to dial the emergency services just now. Seriously, it's never done that before. Anyway, then it turned itself off in disgust. Let's go to the other side of the bridge and see what's what in the other direction, the windy direction. We've got the Ibis Hotel opposite. I'm going to sit down. So as you can see, it kind of comes to a bit of a stop. Although you can see the river on the other side. So there is the hotel. Tell you what, it does seem very zoomed in. Oh, I'm sorry about the wind. I'm gonna mask the little cat and go the other way. It's not so bad the other way. And anyway, that is the view. And then it was sunny in the distance, but it's not a bad day. It's very warm. It's just windy on the river, and especially up when you get to the bridge. Anyway, I'm going to pause it until I find something interesting to show you guys. I don't know if you can see that, but that's a runway. Thought those planes were low, but that does look like a runway. Wow. So they are pretty low. Very, very loud. So I can't film one. I'd love to film one taking off for you, but it's just, it's excruciating when it would be even louder on the microphone. So, but how cool is that? Runway right there. House, different. Anyway, so you can see as I've zoomed, this is where we're off to for the next few days. I zoomed right in, so this is how far away that is. A massive place, gigantic, all the way along, and a massive extension being built up that end. Anyway, I'll see you on the next bit. The wind dropped really well then, so I thought I'd get a nice view of this hotel yacht, and then of course what happens? It gets really windy again. So I did want to go on those cable cars. Gary quite wants to go on them. I'm not a massive fan of heights. I don't know if you can see them, but they look like they're a long way away, but I'm not really sure that they are. They're only just at the end there, which isn't too far away. But yeah, not a massive fan of heights. So anyway, going to venture off the bridge now. Right, well, we couldn't resist it, so we are on the yacht having a drink. Well, we haven't got it yet. So here it is. You can sit outside or inside. You've got a restaurant upstairs and bar that does bar snacks downstairs, with a nice view as you partake of your drink. Well, we were talking about how much it costs for a night, but according to Google it was from a kind of average price of £168 a night, which, you know, when you consider this is London and the Premier Inn was £200 and something a night, that's not too bad. But I spoke to the concierge. She said it's best just to check the website because it changes all the time. So, you know, I guess it just depends on the date and time that you're coming. Anyway, I'm having a cup of tea and Gary's going to have a strawberry and lime cider, and we're going to watch the world and the river go by while we have it. So this was my signing off my Rocks chat, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Bye for now.